So I made it back into HomeGoods, and $50 for this little witch hat pumpkin and the ghost. There's like 2 ghosts and then 1 pumpkin. These gnome guys that are green, they're 20. You know what they remind me of? I think because they're green, they remind me of those guys from Sesame Street, you know, like those monster aliens. Here's like a galvanized gnome guy. It says boo. You got the bats for 13. Trick or Treat, I know we've seen this one before. This is by Transpac. More of the gnomes in the trio for 20. And this is kind of cool. I've seen this one last year. I think I bought something similar. I can't remember.
I don't know.
15.
I'm trying to remember.
The Martha Stewart, yeah. Yeah, the skull and the bat. Ooh, this is kind of cool. Put a really nice. Oh, that is really, really nice. I don't want to flip that over. This one's going to be new for 10. Ooh, it says beware on it. That's cute. Then we have the pumpkin with the skeleton hand. And a more Martha Stewart. This one's 30 with the witch. More of these witches. I feel like they keep bringing out the same witches. The skeleton guy, the little bone daddy, is 25. I like him. Got the little ghost, boo. Oh, this one's different. I haven't seen this one yet. The ghost with like the glitter, the bow ties, and the cat even has the owl right here at the bottom. I'm not gonna be able to tell you the price on this. More Happy Halloween. More pumpkins with the gnome on top. This one is actually cute. Might be like a little candy dish. Cookie jar for 13. That's a cute one. Oh, you know what? Her face is a little different from the other one. These are going to be $30. And a Martha, oh, you know what? Not Martha Stewart, but that is 17. Right here is Martha Stewart. The little tray on it. Stacking skeletons. More ghosts. This is kind of cute with $20 with the pumpkin. You know what? I don't remember this one, but I remember the one right here in the back. So if you're feeling that style, be on the lookout for TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and Burlington. You can find some really unique stuff in Burlington. Wicked cute. Oh, that's kind of neat. Oh, look at this. More gnomes. Let's skip over that one. Look at this guy. He kind of looks... He's a happy ghost. Right? This is kind of cool in an odd way. I do like it. I like how it's towered like that. Oh, no price on this one. But I like the hat, how it's like tilted. This is kind of cute. Oh, you know what? They even have like stacking books. Let me move this guy. Look at that. That is actually quite cool. I've never seen that here. No idea on the price. I tried looking underneath here. Okay, more Martha Stewart. Gnomes. Skeleton. Something kind of cool here. It looks like one of those things you touch, but it's on a skull. Yeah, that's cool. No idea how much it is. They do have the pink, like it looks like a cotton candy skull, right? Cotton candy in your brain. Actually, the Jawbreaker. That's a good movie. Okay, they're $13. Look at this moon. This is 8. And you know what? That's a puzzle in the back. Okay, that's kind of cool. Coasters are 8. Has some glitter in it. You know, it matches with this one. And then what does this one say? Boo to you. And then they have this pumpkin one, which is really cute. I haven't seen this one. I like the evil face on him. Believe they're 4. The Frankenstein guy, and this is everything in Marshalls. Same with the witch lady. She's 20. Okay, and these pumpkins down here. They do light up for only 10, so not bad for 10. Nope, I don't think so. And they have this black one. I like him. He's 10 as well. He will light up. It's a pretty color. And then Bella Lux here. The Ghost. The trailer from last year. And the yoga skeleton all glitter for 10. Tuesday morning location, and it looks pretty much the same everywhere else, you guys. This pumpkin down here at the bottom, he is new for $30. Have the witch hat and plenty of other witches, same. Okay, yeah, we've seen all of these. They're spooky. These are 7. Then Boo. And then Happy Halloween, Trick or Treat. Let's see. Those are 18. $18. Oh man, I was hoping Tuesday morning would have some new items, because I know like every week they get something new. Anything new down here?
I didn't see much. It looks like they're really cleaning up the
25. Then spooky. Oh no. Oh gosh, it went.
Yeah.
It used to be right here. That's so crazy. So I made it back into TJ Maxx. So we have like the ghosts. They're like children. I don't really know about this mummy man, but they bring this one out all the time for $9 by Halloween Home. And then like a pink frame that says Trick or Treat. More gnomes. They're riding a broomstick, and she's new. I don't know what's up with all these weird witches I've been finding. Some of them I'm like, Fantastic. Okay, that's right down right here.
She watches Monster High.
And this one's back. I remember one year it was a big pumpkin they were riding in. And then, you guys, gnomes. Gnomes, gnomes, gnomes. With the pumpkin. This little glitter guy by Transpac. $5.99. This is kind of cute. That's 15. Then more Boo, the pink. Glitter pumpkin, yoga man for 8. And more gnomes. It's kind of funny. Let me pick one up. These are 13. $13. Oh, look at this little frog. Let me pick him up here. Oh, he has a friend over there. Oh, look, they match. She has a broom. And then the frog. I feel like there should be one more. We've seen this one at Homegoods. $40 for the pumpkin tower. Looks like one big mustache, right? For 8. Oh, that is going to be a chalkboard. Oh, only that little circle right there is a chalkboard. So that could be like a countdown. And this is everything. Oh my gosh, can you believe that? This one is back. And looks like some Halloween signs at the bottom. This one's by Transpac for 10. They're on a little motorcycle. More pumpkins. Oh, so you get everything in here. Okay, I thought it was like one book stacked. It's kind of cool. So I'm in Petsmart. $10 on the oh my god or oh my gosh surprise. And you know what's funny? There's like a toy on the inside. So like if your dog really rips it up, there's another toy on the inside. We have oh my gourd, ghosting your boo. And they do squeak. Oh my gosh, look at that guy. He is so funny. Candy corn. And they have Let's Be Frank. Oh, look at this one. Oh, we've seen that. Oh, this one's a little different.
Manic Mr. Bones.
And then look at this one, the bat. That is so funny. And then the spider, he looks crazy. Okay, tell me that is not cute. Something for your lizard. Look, a glow in the dark for your dragons. That is absolutely crazy. I would love to see a little dragon in that. Okay, we have dog treats over here. They're already like buy two, get the third 50% off. Creepy cupcake. Witch brooms, like little dog chews. They have fingers, spooky Sammys, a skull. My gosh, there's just everything here. Happy Halloween. And look, they have the bones too with the little bow on it. But check this out. $17, a mammoth bone. It's like a little coffin. A few costumes for your little doggy. Oh, look at that little shepherd boy. 20. Oh my gosh. I want that. I don't have a little doggy, but he would look so cute. Little Frankenstein. You got a wiener. Yeah, they even have it for big dogs. How cute. And of course the pumpkin. And look. Skeleton mummy. Killing it. The little dog it clown. How funny is that one? Trick or treat. And look, they do have Pennywise. Look at that scorpion costume. I want to see that on a dog. A creepy clown one. Oh no. We have dragons, plenty of dragons. This one's actually kind of cool, but it's pretty large. They might get irritated. Imagine a cat with that on. The large shark. Every time I see a shark, I think of the Nemo shark bait. Then harness. Oh gosh, look at this one. It's a headpiece. Oh no. Would your dog let you dress it up like that? Here's a little one. It's a reflective, like, spiky one, and one with wings. Oh gosh, this one is really funny actually. Let me pull it out. Darth Vader. Oh, is this for your hamster? Is that it for your hamster or guinea pig? Oh my gosh. Stormtrooper. Oh my gosh, for your guinea pig. That is so funny. They got Mickey Mouse, Batman, Spider-Man. I've never seen these in my life. That is so hilarious. Wood shoes. Look at that. For your little animals. That is so cute. They do that. Of course, a pumpkin. Oh my gosh. This will look I want to see somebody's guinea pig. If you got a guinea pig, send me a picture on Instagram. I want to see it. New Ross location. The skull and pumpkin for $11 for this tiny guy. Welcome to the carnival. Little candle. Okay, not much here in this one. Plenty of the skulls. I've seen these before. What is this one? Oh, a projector. Oh look, only found one by Haunted Manor. $4 for the bat. Some more families down here. So in the other location, we've only seen the girl. These are 10. Is this it? This might be it, you guys. Wow. And look right here. Trick or treat. Oh, the Frankenstein's kind of funny. And then the witch one. This is cute for $15. And down here, just pumpkins. Oh man, they should have a bat plate like this. $6 and $5. Garland Day of the Dead one. That's kind of neat. For $13. $15 here. Then on top, like a little beaded one.